Welcome to this lesson on triangle applications. Just a few reminders. If you want to find missing sides in angles and you're given angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side, you would use law of sines. If you're given all sides or side, angle, side, you would use law of cosines. And remember, in the case of side, side, angle, that's that ambiguous case where you need to see if a triangle can even be created or if two triangles could possibly be created. For area, if you're given a side, angle, side, you would use 1/2 AB cosine C. If you're given all three sides, you would use Heron's formula. Okay. Number 1, a triangular plot of land has these dimensions, 106, 129, and 117. And we want to find the square footage of land. Square footage means feet squared or area. And we're given sides, no angles, so we're going to use Heron's formula here. So we need to find our S first. So you remember, you add all the sides up and divide by 2, and that's 176. And then we can use our formula. Take the square root of all of that, and you get about 5,844 feet squared. All right, number 2, a parallelogram is 12 inches by 8 inches. I'm going to draw this out here. And the obtuse angle is 105, and we want to find the diagonal. So if you want to delete this other part now and just have the triangle so you don't get confused, you can do that. So we're given a side, angle, side. So this is going to be the law of cosines. So c squared or x squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. That's about 257.7. So 16.1, and our unit is inches. All right, number 3, a 10-foot tree is leaning at an angle of 105 with the ground. A forester attaches a support wire that stretches from the ground to the top of the tree. It makes a 30-degree angle with the ground, and we want to know how long is the wire. So here we're given angle, angle, side. So this is going to be law of sines. So 10 over the sine of 30 equals x over the sine of 105. And I can cross multiply here. Divide by sine of 30. So about 19.3 feet. All right, and then the last one, this is about resultant force. So this is a little bit different because we're going to have newtons here in this problem. So 2 players kick a soccer ball at the same time. Player 1 has a force of 25 newtons and player 2 has a force of 27 newtons. The angle between the forces is 30, and we want to know the resultant force. So what you're going to do here is you're going to make a parallelogram. So here's my first force, 27. Or let's see, 25 is first. And then my second is 27. There's a 30-degree angle between the two. And I'm just going to connect these and make a parallelogram. So So this would also be 27. This would be 25. The resultant force is going to be this diagonal here. So it's going to be kind of similar to number 2. So this is going to be 150 because in a parallelogram, consecutive angles are supplementary. So 180 minus 30 is 150. So I'm just going to draw that top triangle. And this is my x that we're trying to find. So I'm going to use law of cosines here. I'm going to run out of room. This is 150, sorry. All right, so I'm going to type that in my calculator. And you get about 2,523.1. And then take the square root of that, that's 50.2, and this is still newtons because this is a force. All right, you can stop the video now and complete your practice.